Hi everyone! It's Mai and welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。On today's episode, I want to show you how to cook shiitake mushroom from my classic Japanese recipe. And then I will make a sushi roll using cucumber and shiitake fillings. So please watch until the end. Shiitake mushrooms, sometimes called black mushrooms or Chinese mushrooms, are available both in fresh and dried. And these are dried shiitake mushrooms. They have a umami flavor that's even more intense than when fresh. When I cook shiitake mushrooms for my sushi fillings, I will usually use dried shiitake mushrooms because they are more intensely flavorful than fresh. Fresh shiitake mushrooms are really good when you saute or really good in using sukiyaki recipe. Depending on the thickness of the mushrooms, soaking time can be between 20 minutes and 1 hour. This soaking liquid is loaded lots of great flavor and it's very tasty, so let's reserve it and used in cooking. Shiitake mushrooms are now soft and plump. Let's place shiitake mushrooms in a small cooking pot, and I'm going to add my cooking liquid as well. Make sure you add enough cooking liquid to cover all shiitake mushrooms. I'm gonna heat over medium and let's bring it to boil. Once it boils, I will cook for 2 minutes. Two minutes has passed. Now I'm going to add my sugar, soy sauce, and mirin to my mushrooms. So let's add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of mirin, and I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Let's heat over low and cook for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes has passed. The sauce is absorbed in mushrooms, so I'm gonna turn off the heat. And let's cool down the temperature and get ready to use in sushi. Sweet simmered shiitake mushrooms are complete. They are sweet, salty, and intense Japanese combinations. Now I want to move on to sushi roll using the fillings. Now I want to move on to a sushi roll. So here are ingredients for a roll. They are cooked mushrooms. These are carrots. I have already cooked in a cup of water and a tablespoon of sugar. So the carrots are tender now. And these are cucumbers. The cucumbers were cut into strips. And here is my seaweed. So this is half the size of the original seaweed. Here is cooked sushi rice. So let's spread out the sushi mat. Let's place the rice on top of the seaweed, and I will use my rice paddle to spread out the rice. Let's serve sushi on my plate. And let's serve wasabi on the plate. Classic sushi roll with shiitake mushrooms filling is complete. I used cucumber and carrots together with shiitake mushrooms in my classic roll. You can stuff the roll with fillings like avocado, green vegetables, seafood, and sushi grade fish. Today I've shared classic sushi roll recipe. If you want to learn more about sushi rolls, please look at the description below. I teach sushi classes online. So this is the end of the class now. If you find this video is informative and fun, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!